Since you're a good friend of mine, I'm gonna let you in on a secret that not many people know about. I ran into an old sport of mine, Johnny, about 2 weeks ago. He's a bit of an odd bird, but did him a huge favor a few years back. So he told me he's running this underground speakeasy right here in Anaheim. Apparently the place gets packed every night and it's not a big space, so he just needs a little bit of advance notice and then he said he can let me in. So today's the day. I'm heading there shortly. Let me know if you want to join. Johnny said I can bring up to 5 friends. However, we won't be able to stay all night long, so while we're there, let's make sure to have as many drinks as we can, and maybe even get some food. Now, once we get there, we need to be very discreet. Johnny told me it's located at the Sunkist Citrus Packing House, and he called his juice joint the Blind Rabbit. Apparently it's hidden behind a bunch of old sake barrels that have just been piling up there for years. Johnny said to look for this rabbit handle, and that will be our entrance to this magical place. So my friend, let's go and have some fun, and most importantly, finally have some whiskey after over a year of prohibition. Obviously, keep this all to yourself. We don't want to alert the authorities.